Hello everybody, it's Flat Cap Cafe Racer. I'm out in my garage trying to study a situation or a problem that maybe you can help me with. Actually, the problem is I do got 4 motorcycles. That's not the problem. The problem is I want a 5th motorcycle. Well, I had to stop the video right there. If you don't know me and you're watching this video, you think maybe I'm some sort of rich guy that's complaining that he's only got 4 motorcycles. And that's not the case. First off, I'm not rich. I'm a retired military officer and enlisted guy, and my wife's a retired teacher. So we saved our money and we've budgeted and over the years, and we've invested well. But when it comes to buying things, we have to make sure that when we buy them, that we can pay for the whole thing. So, and that's what this video is about, is how best to keep what motorcycles I have right now, and get this new one. And I don't know how to get it. What I mean I don't know how to get it is, the motorcycle is a new BMW R12S. And I always wanted one of the old R90S's when it wasn't old, it was brand new. I wanted one. So I never did get one. I thought about ordering one while I was in Germany, and I just didn't have any money. I mean, I didn't have any money at all. I was in the Army, so there you go. It wasn't going to happen there. And by the time I got out of the Army and got some jobs and doing something, the R90S had disappeared, and by that time people were starting to collect them even early then. So there's still a few for sale, but they're pretty high too. But when BMW introduced this new R12S in that lava orange, I gotta have one of those. Then start studying the price. The out-the-door price on one of those things is pretty much about $24,000 US. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So being retired for a while, and basically the way we have to do stuff is on all these bikes, when I buy them, I have to be able to pay for them. So all of them are paid for when I pick them up. All the accessories, everything's paid for. But $24,000. And I kept thinking I'd wait a few weeks, and the temptation to get that bike would go away, but it's not. Well, the other part of it is, in order to buy something like that, I have to come up with some money, but I probably have to get rid of a couple bikes. And I just don't see any of the bikes I want to get rid of. I've had the Royal Enfield up for sale one time, and I've had some interest in that, but not enough that I wanted to mess with the people. Selling the bikes out, sometimes it gets a little messy. You got a lot of scammers out. You got people that just crazy. So, and the bike that I probably should sell is this Thruxton R, because I've got a brand new Kawasaki over there, and I've had this Thruxton R for almost going on over 9 years now. I can't sell the Tiger, because that's really my only touring bike. Royal Enfield I could sell, but really I'm not going to get a lot for that, so why do that? So that kind of leaves the Thruxton R, but I just can't sell it. I just can't sell it. I suppose if I got, there've been a few times I thought I could sell it, and then I changed my mind and went back and forth. And I didn't really want to sell the Kawasaki, because I just got the Kawasaki. I only got like 3,000 miles on the Kawasaki. Put a windscreen on it, a little radiator guard, a little chrome thingy on the back. Got heated hand grips on it now. Got the little license plate thing Mr. Bill gave me. But I'd like to hear what you guys think. I could maybe trade the Kawasaki in and get a pretty decent price for that. I'd have to sell the Triumph outright, the Thruxton R outright, because it's old enough bike that they probably don't want it to take on a trade-in. I probably wouldn't get anything on a trade-in on the Royal Enfield, and I'm not going to sell the Tiger because that's my only touring bike they got. So that's my predicament. Got any decent suggestions for me? Let me know in the comments section. I'd appreciate that. So thanks for watching, and by this time hopefully you may be seeing some videos from the Mecum auction, which is coming up next week, and we're heading down for that if the sun stays shiny and it doesn't snow too much. Goodbye. Join me and my friends at Flat Cap Cafe Racer for riding and racing. Please subscribe.